What is going on, you guys? Today we're at a thrift store called Dressed and Blessed. I haven't been here in a few months, but usually every time I come here I score pretty decently. So let's go ahead and see if there's anything to resell for a profit.
$8. Oh, you can
Insert it.
yes, thank you.
Wow, well that was not the best, but these two pieces that I found in the end definitely made this more worth it. So this piece is pretty interesting. It's Polo Sport Ralph Lauren, and it is a size extra large and has these really cool like knots on it. I have no idea how much this is worth, but I have a feeling that this is going to be around like $25 to $30 just because it's such a cool pattern. And then this is the real kicker. This is like a windbreaker type material, and it says the plaid print reveals itself when it gets wet. This has an MSRP of $200 and I only spent $5 on this thing. So conservatively, I feel like we should be able to at least get 50 bucks, but I'm honestly not 100% certain. So since that wasn't the best, we're at a local liquidation / wholesale store in my town. It's called Steals and Deals, and they have a ton of great stuff, usually a ton of great toys, maybe some video games that I can flip online for a profit. So I think I'm just gonna give it a quick browse and then come back and try it with a cart. This puzzle was only $4, $3.98, and it just sold on June 3rd for $35 plus shipping on top. So you guys wouldn't believe this, but the manager just talked to me, and since I'm in here so much, he said that he wants to start giving out bigger discounts to people who buy a lot of stuff from them, and they could even lower the price. For example, if there's like an item like this Barbie or something like that that I need a few dollars off to make a better profit on, that's exactly what he said I could do. I could just ask him. As for grabbing more stuff, he told me I could do like bulk pricing, and I can grab more than the actual 4 limit that's down here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and snag the rest of these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ton of video games, but not really anything that I think is profitable yet. Yeah, no, I don't think there's anything in here. Alright, so I think we have another winner. There's this wind cleaner, one click. It says it's only $1, so I'm not sure if that's right, but these are all $1. They're going for $20 on Amazon, $14 after fees, so that's around $13 in profit. And then I didn't pick this up to resell, but I just thought this was a great price and I wanted to show you. This Carson Wentz Eagles jersey was only 13 bucks. Like, that's an insane price for personal use. Next up, I found these Iron Man Sport Plus insoles, and they actually just sold the other day for this price. So at $19.50, these would ship out first class. All right, so if you do the math, if these sell for $19.50, free shipping, so we're gonna have to take out 0.87 for eBay fees, minus probably, let's just say 5 at the absolute most to ship these out, minus 3. These are all $9 in profit. So I picked up around 10, and I'm going to be leaving like 3 back. I just don't want to be that guy that buys all the insoles out. I mean, there's so many other different kinds here, but obviously I just want to leave a few behind just to be nice. So everything here ended up coming out to $90, and I should be able to turn into a whopping $550 in profit. So for the Dressed and Blessed haul, this should be at least minimum $50 in profit after fees and cost of goods, plus the $550 from Steals and Deals. That brings us to $600 in profit, and I've only been sourcing for 3 hours. Now I'm at my storage unit and I have some sales to show you guys. First sales in this bin down here, I actually sold a VHS tape, Santa Bear. So a Christmas VHS tape in June for $16 plus shipping. And I picked the VHS tape up for 25 cents at the Goodwill bins. Then I sold this Marvel action figure. Picked this up at a store in my town called Steals and Deals, and I only paid $1 on it. It sold for $9.50 plus shipping. Next up is something that I recently just listed. I picked this up at the Goodwill bins in Miami. If you guys are wondering what all this stuff is, it's all stuff that I have listed that I have to put away. And I sold this Miami bucket hat for $20 plus shipping on top. Probably had like 50 cents into it. Next up should be yep, it's right here. So this is a DB15 to USB PC gaming adapter, and I picked this up at the Goodwill bins. Probably have like 50 cents to $1 into this. It took a while to sell, but it sold for good money, $35 plus shipping on top. It's from Radio Shack, so it's pretty old. Pretty interesting. I didn't expect this thing to be worth as much as it was, but pretty solid find. And then next up, we have a video game going out. I have $10 into this game. Picked this up at a garage sale like a couple weeks ago. Red Dead Redemption 2, and it sold for $45 plus shipping on top. Next up is actually another item that I picked up in Miami. Probably have a quarter into this. this, and it's this Inter Miami FC scarf in the summer, and it sold for $20 plus shipping. And then I just recently listed this cassette tape, sold for $4 plus shipping. And then I sold these pair of polo pants. They're size 31 by 30, and they sold for $25 plus shipping. Picked that up at the Salvation Army, probably have like $3 into it. And then I sold 3 of these puzzles. The first one is Cinderella for 35 bucks. And then the Ariel puzzle sold for 30, and the Winnie the Pooh puzzle sold for 25 bucks. And this actually all went to the same buyer. He paid a lot of money in shipping, so I gave him a pretty good refund back. And next up is a pretty strange item. I picked up this Boys Over Flowers Japanese soundtrack, and this sold for $35 plus shipping on top. I only paid $1 for this at the thrift store. But anyways, that's everything that we have going out for the weekend. I also just want to share with you guys that I did make a few sales on Amazon. I think in total it's around $100 to $150 in sales, so just go ahead and toss it up on the screen. So I think that's around $500 in gross sales. So after fees and cost of goods, I think we're looking around $350 to $400 in profit. So not bad for just the past few days. Hey Bean. And just like that, everything's all packaged up. Hey guys, so I just got this package in the mail. I'm not sure what video I'm going to throw this into, but I actually ordered this package off of a guy off of Instagram. He was basically moving, he just wanted to get rid of some stuff, and he had these DVDs. He was selling them on eBay, but I can actually sell them for a lot more on Amazon, so I figured I'd do a little bit of an unboxing and just show you guys. I'm not sure exactly how much all of these DVDs are worth, but I will just throw up the sold comps on the screen. We have Leave It to Beaver Seasons 1 and 2, Old Boy, Rocky, and Bullwinkle and Friends, Underbelly, the trilogy, 3 seasons. A lot of the stuff in here is like nice box sets. Look at this, Lost, the complete 3rd season, brand new sealed, Red Sun. And keep in mind, I actually spent $90, I think, on all this stuff shipped. What is this, a CD possibly? I think he literally just sent extra stuff as well, so I really appreciate that. Then next up we have this, which is Vault Disney, and just a nice little night gallery, the complete series. We've got, oh gosh, I'm gonna break everything. CD, Breaking Bad, this show is absolutely incredible. The complete series, this is expensive as well, but this is insane. Then we've got a sealed CD, Bobby Digital RZA, Jet CD, and then we have Saturday Morning Cartoons Collection. So this is some pretty awesome stuff. Like I said, I only spent 90 bucks, and I'll go ahead and I'll throw up the total potential profit on the screen. And I just thought I'd show you guys that real quick, because this is part of like my everyday life. Like I don't just go out to thrift stores and everything like that. Sometimes I'll order stuff from Instagram, sometimes I'll order stuff from OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace. It really doesn't matter where. As long as I can find stuff for cheap enough, I am glad to show you guys how I make some extra cash. If you guys made it this far in the video and enjoy content just like this, go ahead and watch my last video.